Fucking lonely at the top of the hill. Jordan in I'm prime with a shock I'm still. Charge
them go and complain. When up them pressure coming on it again. Stress can't get me off in your brain. Take it detour.
Viewers, subscribers, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to 4K Shella Energy, and in this update we have Masicka and Alkaline. So gentlemen, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy, click the bell to be notified so you do not miss a brand new upload every day, and subscribe to 4K Shella Energy.
fucking lonely at the top of the hill. Jordan in I'm prime with a shock I'm still. Charge.
So viewers, me know only remember when Masicka dropped Limelight and him say Jordan in I'm prime with a shock and him skill. Viewers and subscribers, Masicka attack Michael Jordan. You see me? But Alkaline recently released his latest single, Nah Left a Game, and you can also see in the music video there is a basketball, which I show you say, you know, the basketball game, and you also see Alkaline stand up in front of a TV and watch a basketball game with Michael Jordan. So viewers and subscribers, Alkaline actually shades again at Masicka.
Cause me them go and complain. When up them pressure coming on it again. Stress can't get me off in your brain. Take it detour up.
So if you never see this shade, well, I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna see what I talk about. Alkaline, like I said, stand up in front of this TV screen and I'm gonna watch a basketball game. It's like a couple seconds. You see me? But I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna see what I talk. And wanna tell me in the comment section if I'm a Michael Jordan that.
Cause me them go and complain. When up them pressure coming on it again. Stress can't get me off in your brain.
So as you can see on the TV, that's a picture of Michael Jordan, you see me? And the jersey, you see the red jersey, and the team is Chicago Bulls, you see me? So there's the Alkaline show shades at Masicka, because you know say Masicka say Jordan in him prime with a shock and him skill. And so you know say Alkaline have the basketball in a music video, plus him watch a basketball game, you see me? So viewers and subscribers, if my son always, because you know me sick and me a fight to do this review your phone, you see me? But anyways, yeah man, so Alkaline actually shades again at Masicka, and me no know why the man them just kick off the war and don't give the people, give the fans them something for like meds to enjoy in a dancehall instead of just throwing shades, because we say this over. The man them are two good artists. Me no care what nobody want to say about Alkaline, me no care what nobody want to say about Masicka. They man a legend. You see me, they man are upon the mountain top. You see me, me no care if a man want to say Ray fall off or that the man they fall off, me no care bro. You see me, not because them not sing his songs, them way uno want to hear them sing like the chopping song. Viewers and subscribers, me no want a man tell me say them fall off. You know see what I want to say, but in my opinion, no man no fall off, you see me? So, I want to see the clash. No joke. I said this so many times, I really want to see the clash, and I know say uno want to see it. You see me, because obviously Masicka and Alkaline, them not good. Them are two shades after shades, and it's obvious say Alkaline at this Masicka and Masicka at this Alkaline. There is no going around the fact. I don't know vlogger a build up or try if start something that is not already being started by itself. It has started, but them man them just take them time before they give us what we want. You see me? And like me say bro, this clash would have just take away all eyes from most of these artists right now, and everybody would have be focusing on Alkaline and Masicka. You see me? All of the focus would have there so enough people don't want this to go on, while enough on the other hand would have love to see this. You see me? Like me say, Vendetta versus Crux, Vendetta versus Genocide, a legendary clash is no joke.
Complain. When up them pressure coming on if you get. Stress can't get me off of your brain. Take it detour apart from my name.
So other from that, Alkaline say, yo, stress, you can't get me off on the brain. Take the detour and apart from my name. So the entertainer say, yo, you stress because you want to try for meds what me I do. Una stress because I try to get me out of the game, I try to fight me all this time. But the entertainer them know say, yo, me lay in the game for stay. This is my game. You can't get me out. You can't out me. I don't cricket this. You see me? Yeah man, the entertainer make them know say, yo, no matter what, me not left the game, so I go forever stress. You up off of my name. Detour, take another road. You see me on a road, take a different road. Up off of my name. You see me? Yeah man. So Alkaline, I make them know say, bro, me there so for stay. Member enough viewers and subscribers, Alkaline say, them talk about him like every day, but him talk about them not one day. So the entertainer straight up and make them know say, bro, me not talk about Uno, so Uno just need to apart from my name because me not, no matter what you do, I will not leave the game under the part of my level, none at all.
Them yo, no, them a must a take drugs. Sitting wrong with them a chip a lick and them jump start. Step ahead of them a years and months back.
The entertainer say, yo, him they a step ahead of them for years and months. So, on a know say Alkaline is the type of artist that is unpredictable. You don't know where am I going to next. You see me? And I think that actually help him in dancehall or in this whole music industry thing. You see me? Help him to survive because people don't know where am I going to do next. You see me? Him just trick the crowd. Him fool everybody. You see me? Yeah man. So the entertainer basically come out with this song and I say, yo, no matter where you do, you cannot get me out of this game. Whether you know have to say me fall off, whether you know have to say, oh, Alkaline song them not good, you cannot get me out of this game. No matter what, this is my game. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, please do let me know when you think about this Alkaline song. Cause since the year start, Alkaline released like 4 songs back to back. Yeah man, so the entertainer a push this year. It seems like him a push, him a aim for something this year, you see me? And me know more sound I'm gonna say, yo, you don't rate the song, but tell me why you don't rate it. Yeah man, leave it down in the comment section and let me know why. You see me? Because I like the song, no joke, it's a very good song. And like I say, him throw shades at Masicka, but other from that, I not really miss the shade, I just want to see the clash. But other from that, you know, say, this song is really good to me. It's a really good song to me, but more have to know from Uno, when you think, if you don't like it or not, and why Uno don't like it, you see me? So leave it down in the comment section, and remember, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy, click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a brand new upload every day, and big up on yourself like always.